streaming courage and the search for what it truly means to be alive. The show features the following songs, streaming from the 2009 animated film Coraline by Bruno Corley. Dance Macabre, the 1874 orchestral work by Neil St. John. What I Was Made For from the 2023 Barbie movie by Billie Eilish. And Master of Puppets was from the 1986 album by Metallica. Bulldog Monkey Dance Field Show Drill and Music is custom led by director of band David Grayson.
Make sure they're aligned. This one. Make sure it's lined up. Sorry.
Set. Let's do this. You think Grayson's gonna out of the cab?
That would have been wrong.
Thank you. Good luck. Good luck. I'm kind of nervous. That's okay. Miguel, get in your spot. Wow.
10 minutes from reality.
Drum majors, Celeste Smith, Kate Kosek, and Carlos Cicero. Is your band ready?
Guys, remember dynamics are moving forward. Don't pause.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20.
High school marching competition. This was their first time winning a Chicago area competition. They also placed second in Class 1A at the Naperville Central marching competition. Placed third at the National South marching competition.
Excuse me.
Marching band competed at Northern Illinois University last Saturday. They perform next Saturday at Jonesboro South, and then the following Saturday at Eastway. And then the Illinois Marching Band Championship at the University of Illinois. Amanda Campaign. Good luck, BMB. Continue to make us all proud. The Bulldog Marching Band is directed by Director of Bands, David Grayson, with the Assistant Director of Water. Instructor Brandon and visual captain head Michael Keithland. The drum major is coached by Clay 5 season, our Celeste, Kosik, and Carlos Estrella. Go Bulldog!